Hi, it's me, Carrie B. Today I'll be going over the new In Color suite of colors from Stampin' Up. There are 5 new colors for 2022, and I'm going to show you how they look using the Cup of Tea photopolymer set, that stamp set and die set that come in the new catalog, which will be out May 3rd. I've created a new swatch book for the month of May, and I'll be putting all of my ideas in here so I can keep them straight and show them to you so you will have inspiration. So come along with me and I'll show you how it's done. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when I go live and release new videos. Thank you for watching. When I got looking at these colors, I had a hard time placing them. They seem really familiar. They seem very homey, and I'm very comfortable with this palette. And then I started looking around and realizing these colors are everywhere. They are arguably the palette of 2022. So I got my stamp blocks out, I got my chamois, I love this new chamois, got my chamois out, and I pulled out the Cup of Tea photopolymer set of stamps, and I put together this little video kind of comparing some of the In Color set to the older colors that Stampin' Up! Has made part of their regular routine. So the first color is Sweet Sorbet. It's a raspberry, plain and simple. I compared it with Real Red and Magenta Madness. The photopolymer set of stamps is really cool. It comes with a ton of little detail stamps, little tea bags and stuff. You can see here. Here I stamped it on Petal Pink, and I covered it with a layer of that precision glue to give it an epoxy look, and it worked really great. The second color is Tahitian Tide. It's a turquoise, and it's a very light turquoise. You can see there with Misty Moonlight and Bermuda Bay, it's a very watery color. I don't know how they did this with this set, but there's not a lot of pigment, but there's a ton of color. Looking at some of the previous color collections, you're going to see Fresh Freesia and Petal Pink are paired with this palette quite often. The next color is Parakeet Party. It is like a lime green, similar to Granny Apple Green. I also tried it up against Mint Macaron, so you can kind of see that's another color that has a little bit of a muted intensity to it. And it's really easy to layer up. It's perfect for springtime greenery, summery colors. This color is often paired with Crushed Curry. If you had the Daffodil Days set from the last celebration, then you've got some really great designer series paper that will work well with this color palette. To the untrained eye, the last 2 colors look very similar. Starry Sky, which is like an indigo, is more blue than the other, which is called Orchid Oasis. Orchid Oasis mirrors the color of the year from Pantone, which is called Very Peri, and it goes very well with other purple colors in the Stampin' Up! Spectrum. You can see here Very Peri, the color of the year, and then you can see where I compared Orchid Oasis to Starry Sky. You can see Starry Sky is clearly a little bit more blue. Up against Highland Heather and Gorgeous Grape, the traditional purples, and they suggest pairing Crumb Cake with this color palette. Crumb Cake or Sahara Sand, both are very similar. Crumb Cake has a little bit of texture to the paper, that's the difference. When you sign up for my May newsletter, you will receive a free printable technique sheet on how to recreate this card, and it will include a printable banner sheet that you can cut out and use in your card designs. Thanks for watching. Let's keep in touch.